first time many people were introduced to the Big Kahuna Burger was in Pulp Fiction. The Big Kahuna is a fictional hamburger from a fictional burger joint that's often mentioned in Quentin Tarantino and Robert Rodriguez movies and projects. It was Brett's last meal on this earth, or part of it, and his tasty beverage, until he was wasted. What? Say what again, motherfucker? What? But the Big Kahuna Burger does exist in various forms. Caramelization is the key, and you get it coming at you from three different directions: the onions, the pineapple, and the burger patty. Pineapple on a burger might kind of fall into the pineapple on a pizza argument. I personally think you can put anything on pizza, and I have had virtually everything on a pizza. A lot of people like to put salt and pepper on top of the patty. I like to put salt, pepper, and teriyaki sauce into the patty. Once you smack this burger down, do not move it. Relax your mitt on that spatula, son. Just let it sit there and... We'll only flip it once after about 5 minutes. You'll find this burger on a lot of Hawaiian-themed restaurants, Southern California, Baja type places. Or as Jesse Ventura calls it, going to the Baja. And then cover it with a pan lid or pie pan to trap the heat and finish the burger. I like mine slightly pink in the center. The relatively hot temperature of the skillet sears the patty and evaporates the water from its juices, leaving behind a slightly sweet, aromatic crust. The sauce is a simple sauce made from teriyaki, Thousand Island dressing, and a heavy dash of hot sauce. It's kind of like a whipped up version of McDonald's Big Mac sauce. Break out the grass skirts. Relax and fix yourself some delicious beverage to eat out of a coconut. And tune up your ukulele. I can't believe I've spent 48 years on this earth and this is the first time I've had a Big Kahuna Burger. I feel kind of like I just lost my virginity. Like there's a big horizon and endless possibilities to explore. This burger is kind of off the beaten path or off the berm from your little grass hut. I chiffonade iceberg lettuce and put it on my burgers because it tends to not slide around so much. If you get one piece of lettuce, it always like smears over to one side and you end up just having it like a crappy salad. Welcome to my burger grotto.